Hey guys, King's Fanboy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the next coaster of the week. This coaster of the week is Top Thrill Dragster at Cedar Point. This coaster is the first Intamin Strata coaster. It opened in 2003, and yes, it's an Intamin Strata coaster. Really good ride. Really like it. To ride, you have to be 52 inches. Now, this ride does have a max height of 78 inches, which is unfortunate. So, if you're a little taller, then you probably won't be able to ride. Let's get to the theme. So, this ride is themed to a dragster race car, which is a really good theme for this coaster, considering how fast it goes at the 120 miles an hour and how fast the acceleration is, which I really like the theme. They did choose a really good theme for it. The trains look like race cars, and there's a stoplight before you launch down that track. It's the stats. So this coaster has a height of 420 feet, a speed of 120 miles an hour, and a duration of 17 seconds. That's the only major complaint I really have about it is the duration. Let's get to the experience. So you roll out of the station, you roll out and you hit that launch track. You sit at the launch track, you see the stoplight, the race car sounds playing, so it's like you're revving the engine, and you're just sitting there. And all of a sudden you roll back a tiny bit. You're like, we're about to launch. All of a sudden the stoplight goes ding 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 and launch, and then once it hits green, it launches you 120 miles an hour down that launch and up 420 feet. Once you get to the top of that top hat, you're just still trying to comprehend that launch. So you have a split second to think about to see this amazing view of Cedar Point and Lake. You can see Millennium Force, Steel's engines. You can pretty much see the entire park. And you come down, spiral drop. Now, I don't really mind the spiral drop that much. I don't really have an opinion on it because I haven't experienced any of the non-spiral drops, such as drops on Accelerator or Red Force on these types of coasters. So I don't really have an opinion on it. So you come down the spiral drop and you hit the brakes and you're like, whoa, that was intense. That was a really fun ride. Let's do it again. So this is a real crowd pleaser. It is a great fit for the park considering how they try to break all the records, and it broke all the records when it opened. So let's get to the rating. I rate this coaster an 8 out of 10. Now here's why. Here's why I rate it an 8 out of 10. It's because of how long it is. If it was a little longer, like they put another element in after the top hat, like an element or two in, I think it'd be really good. And the other reason is the theme. They could do a little more theming. They do have bleachers set up on the side of the launch because the park knew they wanted to have people watch the launch. So that is nice, but really it could use a little more theming during the ride. But really, what can you do when you're up at 400 feet? So that's how I rate the ride. I just rated an 8 out of 10. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.